Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and guess what we have here? It's our May Kiwi Lane Club Kit. Yay! And I'm going to open it because I'm excited to see it. I actually had a peep of this, I think it was last week, and Susan was working on it. And then I had to stop and change because I didn't want to see the full kit because I want my reaction to the kit to be, raw. Ha! Anyway, so here we are opening the box and see it. Oh my gosh! I am loving, oh wow, what is this? This is new. Okay, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this kit. I love lemons. These are the kits that are the templates, I should say, that are on sale 15% off until the end of the month, which is 5/31/2020. And these are the templates that are supposed to be here. And you guys, I am loving this corner protectors, if you will. And so it'll help protect our kits. This is my favorite part of all the Kiwi Lane products, is the Kiwi Lane Kit Club. And oh my gosh, look at what my hands are doing. Subconsciously, I'm already wanting to see the papers, but I'm gonna have to stop myself. Okay, I am not sure what this is. And then in the meantime, let's look at the templates. It's got some cute banner templates here. It is a banner template. It's Citrus 5, which means this is a set. So this is the Citrus 5, and it's a banner. Ooh. Okay. And then we have Citrus. It's a picture 4. This is 4. This is Citrus 2. And then, of course, we have Citrus 1, which is the lemon. And then Citrus 4, I'm sorry, I can't even talk now. Citrus 3, which is the slice. How cute! Let's look at the cards. Let me show you the cards right now. And I'm going to go through it fast. And then on to our 4x4s. And on to our 4x6s. This is such a cute kit. Just with the cards alone, I'm already loving this kit. Okay, guys, on to my favorite part, and papers. So I'm gonna go through this fast. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think this is my favorite Kiwi Lane Club kit this year. I know we only went through, what, 5 now, but so far, I think this is my favorite. I am loving the colors. I am loving the shade of this yellow shade here. I am loving it all. So let me find a picture that I will scrapbook using this kit, and then we are going to work on a layout. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am back. I'm going to scrapbook 3 of the photos from the flower field, and these are photos of me and my best friend Carol. Hi Carol! Anyway, I do miss this girl so much. Of the kit, I plan to use this card. Best friends are the people you can do anything and nothing with and still have the best time. And that's what I always have with Carol. And then we also have, I'm going to be using the Citrus 5 from the kit, and also Citrus 2. I'm only going to use 2 papers from the kit, which is this 2 here, and I'm bringing a black cardstock to mat my pictures. So without further ado, let's get going. I'm going to go ahead and mat this 2 here. So this is a 4x6 and this is a 3x4, and let me go ahead and cut out. Oops, I made a mistake, guys. I should have put 4.5. Duh. This is where they go. The saying goes, you know, measure twice, cut once. And we're going to put this guy over here. So this is 6 plus 3 is 9, so we're doing 9.5. So let me go ahead and commit this too, so I won't lose them as I play with them. I think I'm gonna cut a little sliver over on this side. And this is the base that I'm going to use for this layout, and I'm gonna put this on the side for now. I want to have a banner with this print. So what I'm going to do is trace. I need that last one. So what I need here on the end is the string. So what I'm going to do is move this over and hopefully match that over there, and then take this last one, and there you go, there's a string. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make several of this. So I'll make 5. What I'm going to do is only cut off up to here. I only need this as a border, if you will. I'm going to need to figure out, using my mat here, how I want this done. So basically from the point here to this line is 3/4 of an inch, and that's what I want to do. Let me make sure this is straight. So what I'm going to do is actually mark my template. So once I mark my template, this part here is where I'm going to use to create the borders. So I need 5 of these borders. And notice I just used at the back here. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. So I know there's a method to my madness, guys. Okay, I'm still safe. Now I'm going to go here as my 4th. So I'm going to stop right here because I want to go ahead and cut this, so in case I have a problem with it later, I don't want to cut the bracket border and mess up this banner that I already have here. So let's see if this back one here is safe. Yes, it is. So I'm gonna cut this. So you see what I'm trying to do, guys? Trying to save as much as I can of the paper, because I want to be able to use the rest of that paper for something, for another layout later down the road. There you go. And then now this one here, this side here, I could probably still use. And yes, I can. And let me just finish cutting out this banner. Okay guys, it's time to ink our elements. We're done, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my T-ruler here, and let me measure my bottom here, and it's supposed to be, the pictures are 4 inches tall. I have this too, and I was going to put them here this way, and I wanted this to go up here like a border. So what I'm going to do is take this at 4 inches. So what I'm going to do, instead of putting it all the way up to the 4-inch mark, about a 1/4 inch down, I'm going to draw a line. I can use the line to straighten this borders, if you will, up here. So there's our line. I'm going to take our glue here, our adhesive, and then put on a straight line through here of adhesive, and another one on top of that to make it 1/2 inch. So I wanted to make sure that these borders are going to be staying in the place. So I'm going to start with one in the center. So I'm using my mat. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the center point right here, going down. Now I wanted to make sure that this right here will go right in the center. Okay, let's see if this works. There you go. I only have a little bit of slivers right here. I'm not gonna cut anymore. So let's start tacking this down. There you go, and then we're gonna put this on top. There you go, and then we're going to put this right there. Cut that little sliver there. Okay guys, another simple layout. Look at that. Another simple layout for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me go through this process. Make Kiwi Lane Club Kit, guys. If you haven't subscribed, I will place my link down in the description below. Yeah, and that's it, guys. If you like this layout, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Be safe and keep everyone around you safe. I will catch you guys later. Bye.